In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro Virtual Portfolio. If you want to practice trading without using real money, eToro's Virtual Portfolio is a great place to start. It lets you explore the platform, test ideas, and get comfortable placing trades in a risk-free environment before moving into live investing. To begin, log into your eToro account. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Near the bottom, you'll see the option that says Switch to Virtual. Click that to move from your real portfolio into the virtual one. After that, give the platform a moment to complete the switch. It usually only takes a few seconds, but it's important not to rush. Before you do anything else, make sure you've actually entered virtual portfolio mode. This is a very important step because you want to be absolutely certain you're practicing with virtual funds and not placing real trades by mistake. Once you've confirmed that you're in the virtual portfolio, use the search bar to find the asset you want to practice with. This could be a stock, an ETF, a cryptocurrency, or another market available on the platform. Searching is the fastest way to jump directly to the instrument you want to explore. When you find the asset, open its page and click Trade. This will bring up the order window where you can set up your simulated position. Enter the amount you want to invest, and then configure the details of the order. You can also add optional settings like stop loss and take profit. These tools are useful for practicing risk management and learning how traders control potential losses or lock in gains automatically. When everything looks right, click Open Trade. This places the trade using your virtual funds, not real money, so you can test how the market moves and see how your position performs over time. To keep track of your practice trades, head over to the portfolio page. This is where you can monitor open positions, review performance, and close trades whenever you want. It's a good idea to use this area regularly so you can experiment with different strategies and better understand how your decisions affect results. When you feel more confident and you're ready to move on from practice mode, go back to the left sidebar and click Switch to Real. That will return you to your live portfolio, where real money trading takes place. Always double-check which mode you're in before opening any position. Thanks for watching.